Alright, so the goal for this video is very simple. I've done 3 videos now on building this pickup bed roll-off, and today I'd like to, 1, get it loaded on the back of my pickup, 2, do a quick test with just this empty trolley that I call it, bringing it up on, and then 3, put my motorcycle up on it. So maybe not the best idea to test with something valuable to you, but hey, here we go. Here we are. One potential problem there is interference from, pull that back under too far, but you see the idea, eventually I'd like not to be able to have to use the cherry picker, but I'll give it a shot, going in. Okay, so it's in. Do already have some notes for changes I need to make. It went in pretty easy. In fact, I'm surprised how much it slides around on this OSB. I can slide it around by hand and center it up. What I can't do with a little bit with the pry bar, and it's fine. So again, put 2 tie downs in there, and I didn't even know if I needed a tie downs back here, but I know I will. I figure out something right here, and over here is going to be a problem with this motor. Sitting, I'll figure out something, but this is what I'm trying to learn by testing it. Get it out there, get some straps on it, and do the initial test. Okay, so I don't know if this is a problem or not, but I have something to think about here. Is that this piece, if anything's coming across here, runs interference with the top of that rail until about right there, from there to the bottom. You can see, first time I had her all the way up, I mean, it's fully extended. It came right down. The truck's sitting pretty high. Oh, there's my dogs. So we'll continue on. Pulled away just like that phone could. Okay, all set to go. Got it strapped on, well, at least good enough to do this test. There was one casualty. This here little thing just kind of bent down in the middle, which, yeah, okay. So that's the worst that's going to happen. Load. Okay, found the problem. This is why we test. My jumper cables that I'm using temporarily don't have enough wattage there, so I ran out of juice. So I was all over this thing looking for the problem. Now we're going to try to continue on. There's nothing to be mad about that. So I was a little scared. Those supports, man, they were working hard when it was down at the bottom. I mean, if the worst thing that happens, I gotta upgrade those and don't know what I would do with more weight than that. Maybe the fact too that the electricity had been running for a while and the low voltage situation, whatever, but damn, I'm happy. Get some more permanent stuff. For right now, I think I could go work on some other things. I've been working on this and it's just it's been too much. Okay, stopping there. All right, so let's talk about to-dos. And I'm gonna leave this video and probably make a really silly thumbnail, make it seem like this was a total disaster. If you were hoping to see the motorcycle fall on the ground, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Here's my list. The power, temp and permanent, obviously I had that issue. You know, in theory I could run this thing off of temporary power anytime I wanted, not even wiring anything permanently. But I at least need to update that, heavier wire, better crimp, whatever. Adjust the wheel chock. When I first put it on there was an issue there with putting the wheel in wasn't tight enough. 3 is tie downs I've got cobbled together. I need D-rings for tying down the thing. 4 braces. You know, it could use some bracing here and there and everywhere. 5, finish the trolley, weld and paint, of course. It's just a rusty mess right now. Most everything. Truck's dirty, sorry about that. Pad under the front. Now that's that thing I was saying way up in front there. I was hoping that the weight fell on it. Don't know if you can see it up under there, but you know, it should be holding the weight when it's down. I'd like it to, instead of being on the wheels. The snatch block for winch, you know, it didn't pull up. That's when it had the power issue. I don't know if I need that or not. I'll keep one around just in case. Fix the short ramp. Maybe not. I kind of like it that way. 5,000 pound lifts. I don't know, it was working hard to pick that bike up. I'd like to do 2 on there sometime, and man, I don't know. And then the hoist leveler, I don't know if you noticed it, but when I was putting this thing on, my hoist was about falling over, and my garage floor isn't even. And yet, what I'd ultimately like to do is those things that I put up here, if I put some big wheels, I've already got planned. Oh, that's what the braces was about. The braces were the braces for these corners, so it's not so wobbly, and that I could potentially put big wheels on here on the back, not use a hoist at all, and you know, push that sucker in there. But that's my to-do list. I got other things to do, and I'll probably not you know, mess with this for a while. I've really got to go do other things. But that's it. I'm going to make a silly picture here for the thumbnail, make it look like this was a complete disaster. And thank you for watching.